Curdy Bob's Tractor Repair.
Got the pinion shaft out. As you can see right here, the farthest rear part of the bearing was ready to also go bad really quick. But it was obviously because this one right here was out. There was no rollers down inside there holding it in place. But as you can see right there, that gear, which is a drive gear, it's an idler. It drives it. It drives this main shaft, which goes on, focus here, goes on right here, splined here. That gear there drives the pinion shaft. It is tore right up. Beneath that, on this shaft right here, there is another gear. Right down inside there. That gear is also tore up. That gear is what drives, if you was to have a front wheel assist, that would actually drive out here on the end, would drive front wheel assist. So we got to get it all. There's going to be nothing left in here but just the case. Got to pull the toe disconnect out to get this lever here out, to get that stuff out to lift the gear up out of there. Park. This is your park over here. There's a pin right there. Kind of hard to see, but there's a pin right there that unscrews and pulls out, and that's what goes. If you can see right down in there where my fat finger is right there, you can see where it slides into that pivoting shaft. We got to get them out, get all this stuff, the park pawl, all that out. Then we can finish dismantling it all.